In this video, I'll show you how to proofread with Claude AI quickly and easily. This is a simple way to check your writing for grammar, spelling, and clarity. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll paste or type the text that I want Claude to proofread. For example, I might paste a paragraph from an email, report, or document. After adding the text, I'll type a prompt like, "Please proofread this text and correct any grammar or spelling mistakes." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will analyze the text and generate a corrected version with improved grammar, spelling, and readability. If I want more detailed feedback, I can also ask Claude to explain the corrections or suggest improvements to make the writing clearer. Once Claude generates the improved version, I can copy the corrected text and use it in my document or message. And that's it. I've successfully proofread my writing using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.